Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix issues with Rockstar Games Launcher not opening on your PC. So first, you need to completely close the Rockstar Games Launcher if it's opened on your background. Now open Task Manager. And once you do that, under the app section, if you see the Rockstar Games Launcher open, go ahead and right click on it and then select End Task option. Once all Rockstar related processes are closed, try opening the launcher again. If the launcher still won't open, go ahead and access the Rockstar Game Launcher. Then right click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab, select Change Settings for all users, give administrative privileges, and select the option of Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now we'll add an exclusion for the launcher in Windows Security. Open the Start menu and type in Windows Security. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings option. Now scroll down to the exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Give administrative privileges again. Now select Add Exclusion and select a file. Navigate to the Rockstar Games Launcher, select it and add it, and repeat this process, but this time select folder and choose the entire Rockstar Games Launcher folder. Click on Open, and after making these changes, restart your PC and try opening the Rockstar Games Launcher again. Finally, if the problem persists, you can try uninstalling Microsoft OneDrive if you do not use it, as OneDrive can sometimes interfere with the launcher. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.